What happens when you lose your case at the trial court, right? You didn't get the result you wanted. Well, there's the appellate process. You can appeal your case. Now, the way the appeal works, the higher court will review the record, will review all the filings, will make a determination. And in doing so, it applies several standards of review, they are called. The first one is called de novo, in which basically the appellate court reviews everything brand new. They literally review everything and they can apply their own opinion. This usually happens on issues of law, where the trial court, the lower court judge was making a determination on the interpretation of a statute, of a law, of an ordinance, and it's strictly a legal issue. So the appellate court will say, no, our opinion is different, and they can completely change that. The second standard is called abuse of discretion, which is when the appellate court is reviewing something that involved evidence. For example, in motions for legal fees, where there's experts or legal experts determining what the amount of legal fees are, what a party should get, then the trial court has discretion in saying, oh, well, the evidence shows this, and I will order this amount of attorney's fees. So the appellate court will review that and will only reverse it when there's an abuse of that discretion, right? If they think, oh no, based on the evidence presented, the trial court couldn't have determined what it determined. So those are the two standards of practice. If you want to appeal your case, give us a call. Follow for more.